You got it? Yeah.
What is going on, guys? Me and the homie Jared had to take a long trip up to the mountains, about 2-hour drive, just to get away from all the people, man. We have had tons and tons of people at our spot, man, and it is crazy. But we're gonna try to get on some of these mountain bass and see what we can make happen. Let's go. Oh, Jared. Hey, how's it going? I just got out here, man. Yeah. Nah, not yet, man. Literally just got here. How you doing? Yeah. I heard there's a lot of big fish in here. You never been out here much? Yeah. It's pretty cool. Super clear.
Very clear. It's like a northern lake. You what? It's like a Minnesota lake, but like up north.
Yeah. Super clear.
It's like I know. Besides maybe Lanier.
Yeah.
Too. All right, guys. Y'all be safe.
All right, take care, sir. Yeah. You better bat on license
Down real quick.
right now. I thought she was toast. I see her. She's behind the bed right now. You see her? Right there. Clear as day. That's her.
I don't think that's the male. Because the one I saw was giant.
That's the female. The male was probably like 2 pounds. That's why I said I thought she was like a 5 or a 6. Still a good fish though.
Oh yeah, but like I don't.
She's coming. She's coming for it. Guys, we had a good fish over here. I'm gonna have to hook it sideways on this one to catch it. All right, guys, just a quick heads up. Me and Jared found this fish earlier on bed. We had the male bite both of our lures multiple times. We couldn't catch her. We have been walking around this whole little pond, lake, wherever you want to call it, and haven't gotten any more bites. So I'm gonna head back down there and try to catch this bass in this super crazy tight place to cast and see if I can actually catch this fish. So y'all wish me luck. Let's see if we can make it happen.
In there now.
Yeah, I can. The big one's here. The small one I bit it like 3 times, dude. Oh, she's turning now. Uh-oh, Jared. You may have a big bite soon. Oh. She's looking down at it.
Oh, yeah, you got it? Yeah. Hey.
Thank you. You worked hard for that one. Thanks for coming in to say.
There you go. Shit, I'm still sorry. I had to pay you for the 7.
All right. Thanks. Oh man, what an adventure, man. It's a chunky fish, man. It's a nice one. Look at the eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the females are in nesting.
Moving up shallow. We'll get a picture of her and throw her back.
Good man.
All right, guys, we had to work hard for this one. Jared came through with the save. Got a 5-pounder. We're gonna get a release.
Tricky release.
I can get in there.
Yeah, it's
It's a tough spot.
tough. It's a tough place there.
Take a lead. Oh, she's ready to go already. Wrong way. There you go. Well, guys, that was a wrap. We caught one bass. We tried to get the other bass to bite, but it wouldn't. The homie Jared, man, came in with a dive, man.
Hey, had to repay the debt from a few years ago. Had to.
But we made it happen. We caught a 5-pounder and can't complain. This spot has always been a challenge, but we made it happen today. Hopefully next time we'll get that giant. So guys, make sure you like, share, subscribe, and we'll see you on a video soon.